Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Gentlemen, the other thing I'm talking about is this bad boy. The newest addition to the Pete and Pedro family of incredible brushes, the military brush. It is made out of a little oval of wood. We got over 2,000 bristles on that bad boy. Now the deal is, if you do not have a bristle brush like this, you need one. There are a few reasons for that, all right? If you want to use it on your hair, it's fine. If your hair is thinning or fine, I would definitely look for something with a softer bristle, because these bad boys are a little bit rough, but they're perfect for stimulating hair growth, all right? And that is why you use it on your beard. If you have a beard or facial hair, you should be brushing it with this brush every single day. And the reason, well, there are actually a few reasons. Reason number one, it's actually going to help remove a lot of the dead crap that actually gets trapped underneath the hair, right? Because nobody likes beard flakes. The other thing it's going to do is actually stimulate blood flow. The more blood flow, the more it's actually going to facilitate beard hair growth and stimulation. The other really cool thing is that if you've got like patchy areas, by brushing it on a daily basis, you can actually train the hair on your beard to actually grow and cover some of those patchy areas. Bottom line, guys, this brush is amazing. You're going to love it. I'm going to link to it down below, up top, wherever it is. If you are somebody that has a beard or you haven't tried this brush, you definitely need it in your grooming arsenal.